Okay.
Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, thank you for coming. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell to be notified. And yeah, thumbs up the video if this is something that you needed to see or something that you're interested in seeing more of. One of the questions that I get asked a lot from people is, isn't your hair too heavy? Doesn't it hurt your neck? Does it hurt your back? No, it doesn't. And it's because I had been working out for a long time before I even started this journey of 16 years of growing my hair. I used to work out a bunch, and I used to really focus on my upper body, my shoulders, my neck, my trap area, a lot, my arms. I mean, I worked my lower body too, but I really emphasized that. If you're having problems with your hair, with it, being long and it's feeling heavy and you're ready to cut it, don't cut it. Here's some simple things that you could do, even sitting at a desk, even without free weights. I do work with free weights though. I think that it helps to build up the strength faster. I'm using light weights because I'm not trying to bulk up. I'm just trying to strengthen my neck and my shoulders to carry the weight of my hair. Okay? So what you can start off by doing is some simple exercises. These are basic shoulder shrugs. I'm only using 5-pound weights in each hand, but I'm using like a lot of pressure. I mean, as far as I'm really pushing in deep. I'm not just like, rolling my shoulders like that. I'm really like pushing in as deep as I can. Okay, and that's helping with my shoulders, and it's also helping my traps. Another exercise you could do is behind your head. And you want to go up and down, down and up, down and up, down and up. Okay, and you can feel it in the back of your neck if you're doing it correctly. Some other exercises you can do, and you can use weights with, or you don't have to, is just basically do some arm rotations. You should be able to feel it in your shoulders and all up in here, like I say, in the front part, of your trap area. And you just go around and around and around and around, and then go backwards. That's it. I mean, basic neck rotations. Hold it, down, back, and all around. Loosen up those muscles, build up your muscles, loosen up any tension. This is great for relaxation while meditating as well, but you want to make sure that you strengthen your upper body, because as your hair grows longer, for some people it may be too heavy, especially if you don't work out or if you haven't ever worked out like strongly. I just wanted to just jump in because I do get a lot of people asking me, doesn't it make your head hurt? Isn't it too heavy? When are you gonna cut it? Never. I am in the process of working out a lot more because, I am on a weight loss journey. And if ISIS could scan, this is what I'm looking like right now. Okay. And hopefully in the next few months, I'll see even more of a change. But that'll be updated stuff, that's on my channel under story time or under the my weight loss journey, my healthy living and weight loss journey. Okay, so please, this was just something to come in. Hopefully it helps somebody. Hopefully it'll keep somebody from chopping off their hair. And then also be mindful that sometimes it's not your hair that may be causing you headaches. You may think it's the length of your hair or the thickness of your hair that's causing headaches. Make sure you get checked out and find out, because someone had told me before that they thought it was because of their hair that they were having hair problems and stuff, and that totally wasn't the reason. And they started their dreadlock journey all over again. I want to thank everyone for coming to the channel, for supporting all my emperors and empresses. I appreciate you all. If you're new to the Regal family, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified. And thank you again for watching this video until the end. If you made it to until the end, say shoulder shrugs. Thank you. Peace and love.